Like just this one cup got my dress fit me so well. That tummy was gone. I was so amazed with the results. And if you have a party, you want that quick stuff to help you flatten your tummy, just go ahead and try this and you'll come back thanking me. And there are simple ingredients in your kitchen. Like this is coffee, which stimulates your nerves, your system, your metabolic rate. It activates your system to break down fats fast. So your system tends to be so active when you add coffee in this recipe, and everything just works so fast. That is how coffee helps your brain to be active. Most people start their day with coffee because it activates your system. So this is to activate the metabolic rate. Yeah, so just go ahead and try it and you'll love it. So add in 1 cup of water in 1 tablespoon of coffee, in 1 teaspoon of coffee, and set aside 1 teaspoon of coffee in 1 cup of boiled water. Now the next thing you want to get is some lemon. Yeah, so very quickly, just lemon and coffee does wonders to the system, but this is a whole powerful smoothie put together that just flushes everything by boosting your gut rate, your metabolism, activating your system to remove all those gases causing bloating and constipation, making your tummy to be bloated and big. This is a magical recipe. So what you want to do is to slice up your lemon. So this is 1 lemon. You want to slice it, peel and slice up the lemon and set that aside. Lemons boost metabolism, as well as they contain the good acids to help flush those acids, making your belly bloated and big. The next thing, which is very important, is orange. Yeah, oranges improve your gut health, your metabolism. That is why you drink a glass of orange when you're constipated. You instantly just visit your restroom, poo everything all out, and before you know, you feel so relieved. So adding it in here just takes this recipe to the next level. Oranges are very good, and if you want to get the best of the orange, you eat everything with the fiber. That is the roughage. You don't eat if you drink just the juice, it's fine, but with the fiber, the roughage in the form of a smoothie, it works even better. So this is 1 orange. You want to slice up the orange and set aside. Yeah, so this is it. You will come back thanking me for this. You will love it. Set that aside. Plus the orange brings in flavor, so it doesn't taste boring in the mouth. As well as some green apple. They boost metabolism, activate your liver, so your liver can in turn flush out all the waste built up, toxins, slowing down your metabolism. As well as apples equally help to boost metabolism, most especially green apples. They boost your metabolic rate and you tend to burn fat really fast with eating apple. So this is 1 apple. You want to wash your apple thoroughly, slice and set aside. Now, not a lot of ingredients, I think, for this is the last you want to add. So it is cinnamon powder. So if you can add cinnamon powder or cayenne pepper, whichever you have. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder or cayenne pepper, whichever you have at home. Both of them do the job of giving your tummy a thorough cleanup, removing those bacteria, slowing down your system from burning fat, and activating your system to burn fat really fast. So that is a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and this is 1 apple sliced, 1 lemon, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So you want to add in there. And what you want to do is, once you add all your ingredients, that is the 1 orange, this will load your system up with nutrients as well for utmost health. So once you add your ingredients, you don't need to add water. You add in the coffee tea we made at the beginning. You remember we made coffee tea with 1 teaspoon of coffee and 1 cup of boiled water. You leave it to cool down and add it in as water for the recipe. So once you add everything all in your blender, This is ready to be blended. You can add in some ice cubes just to have it chilled in the mouth, depending on you. But today is a little bit cold, and I feel like just being warm. But you can add in some ice cubes. That is still fine, depending on the weather you are in now. And blend till you get everything all nice and smooth, and you're good. So this is best to consume on an empty tummy. Why I always say either early in the morning is because you've not eaten anything for food to obstruct the fat burning process, or last thing at bedtime. But coffee awakes your system. Remember, you can stay awake because coffee's rule in here is to awaken your system so your system can burn that fat fast. So either early morning on an empty tummy or last thing at bedtime, so no food or oil obstructs the fat burning process. So this is it. Drink everything all at once. This is your meal. If it is in the morning, this is what you're taking for breakfast. If it is bedtime, this is what you're taking last thing at bedtime, and watch the magic happen. You see that fat tummy, that big tummy you are not confident with? Like, it has been long I have this kind of tummy, because my recipes they just get me in shape in no time. Most especially when I eat and tend to gain a little bit of that tummy fat, my recipes just take everything down. And I feel so confident in my body from head to toe. I love my body. No fats. Like, you don't want fats all over your body. You just want to have that plump, healthy looking skin without fats. Fats cause a lot of problems. So when you have a healthy body like this, not skinny, not big, just plump, trust me, you end up so healthy. Most especially if you're in your 30s, 40s, going up to 50s, 60s, you want to maintain a healthy body size. That is the secret. And this recipe crushes that belly, helps you maintain that good body size with a clean looking skin, because there are a lot of nutrients in this recipe. The fruits contain a lot of vitamins and minerals that will help make your skin looking so healthy, beautiful, and help you burn your fat and stay in shape and healthy. I have more pictures of myself on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Riza's Tips. If you want to see more of my pictures with my tummy out, more of me, you have questions to ask, follow me on Instagram and I will share with you more secrets. Let's socialize, get to know each other, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye. Don't forget to come back with your results and let me know how you feel about this recipe, and I'll see you again.